Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner and you're watching Edu-marketing TV. My tip of the day for you today is all about how to get much more work done without busting the budget employing staff to get it done for you. Now, I've been in business for 10 years and one of the biggest mistakes I made earlier in my career was taking on staff to help me do jobs when I actually didn't need to. Staff are extremely expensive. There's a lot of legal requirements. You need to have resources and equipment for them to do their work, and in some cases they can be a real headache. And of course it's just another expense that when we're starting up in business we can't necessarily afford as much as we'd love to. So I actually outsource a lot of my work where I can to try and save myself some money but still be able to get fantastic work done by professionals. There's a couple of websites that you can use. In fact, there's endless websites you can use, but there's a couple that I particularly use regularly. Now, the first one is called...
Oh no! To watch the rest of this video absolutely free of charge, please click on the link below and we'll send the whole entire video completely free straight to your inbox. Cheers!